Hello guys. Every second the world consumes energy to light up millions of homes, power endless factories and drive billions of devices. But behind that light lies a dark truth. Our planet is running out of time. The air is getting warmer, the glaciers are melting, the oceans are rising, and the question stands before humanity: how will we power our future sustainably, safely, and smartly? In this documentary, we will explore the four major forces shaping the world's energy future: solar, wind, nuclear, fusion. The technologies, the challenges, and the dream of clean, infinite energy. So, let's begin with the power that comes from the star that gives us life, the sun. At first, section 1: solar energy, the power of sun. Every hour the sun sends enough energy to earth to power the entire world for a year. Solar energy captures this gift of light and turns it into electricity using photovoltaic cells, tiny semiconductors that convert the sunlight into current. Over the last 20 years, solar has gone from expensive luxury to the cheapest energy source in many countries. Nations like India, China, and the USA are building solar farms that stretch for miles. Even rooftops and deserts are being turned into solar stations. But solar energy is not perfect. It does not work at night, and clouds can cut power. That's why we need batteries, advanced energy storage systems like lithium ion, solid state technologies. The future of solar lies in some materials, solar paints, and even space based solar arrays that beam energy down from orbit. So the sun gives us hope, but we also need the winds of change. Now, section 2: wind energy, the invisible giant. Wind has moved the ships, mills, and civilization for thousands of years. Today, it moves turbines that generate the power across plains and oceans. Modern wind turbines can stand taller than skyscrapers with blades longer than airplane wings. Onshore wind farms are common, but the real revolution is happening offshore, where winds are stronger and steadier. Countries like Denmark, the UK, and the China are leading the charge with floating wind platform. The beauty of wind power is its simplicity. No fuel, no pollution. But wind is also unpredictable. It can stop suddenly. So again, the challenge returns to energy storage and smart grids that balance the power between the solar, wind, and backup sources. The air gives us the energy freely, but when nature pauses, we need something constant, something that never stops. So, now nuclear energy, section 3: the power from the atom. Deep inside the atom lies a force powerful enough to light up the cities or destroy them. Nuclear energy comes from fission, the process of splitting the heavy atoms like uranium to release heat. That heat turns the water into steam, which drives turbines and generates the electricity. Unlike fossil fuels, nuclear produce zero carbon emission. One small pellet of uranium can produce as much energy as a ton of coal. But nuclear energy carries fears and memories of Chernobyl, Fukushima, radioactive waste. However, technology has evolved. The next generation, called small modular reactor (SMR), are safer, cheaper, and can shut down automatically during emergencies. Nations like the France, South Korea, and Canada are showing how nuclear can be a stable base for a clean power grid. But humanity dreams of something even greater, not splitting the atoms, but fusing them. The power of the stars themselves. So, section 4, nuclear fusion, the energy of the future. Fusion is what powers the sun. It merges the light atoms like hydrogen to form the helium, releasing enormous energy with no carbon and minimal waste. Scientists have chased this dream for over 60 years. The challenge, recreating the sun's condition temperature hotter than the core of a star and controlling it safely on Earth. Projects like ITER France, SPRC MIT, China's East Reactor are making breakthroughs. In 2022, scientists in the US achieved net energy gain, producing more energy than they used. Fusion could mean ultimate clean power, ending energy poverty and climate change once and for all. But it is still in development. The first commercial reactor might appear seen by the 2040s. So at the end, from the sun to the wind, from atoms to stars, humanity stands at a turning point. The future of energy is not just about technology, it's about choices. Every nation, every home, every individual decision matters. And what we drive and how we live, what we power. So clean energy is not a dream. It is a race and every watt counts. The question is not whether we can build a sustainable energy future, but whether we will do it fast enough. So the power to change the world is not just in machines, it is in our hand. Okay, so thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe our channel for more details and more informative videos.